Hi, I'm Cindy Johnson, Service Coordinator for Culligan of Ottawa, and we've been using GPS to go for quite a few years now. It's a really great system for us because we have a fleet of over 20 some odd trucks on the road. Keeps us up to date of where they are, what maintenance they need, and also keeps track of their hours, and also helps us with our insurance policy. Even sometimes on emergencies, sometimes we get calls where we have to dispatch the guys right away, and it'll help us to see which vehicle is closest to their location, so I can give them somewhat of an ETA of when they'll be there. So it's just super helpful that way. Even sometimes when we need some support, whether we're adding GPSs to our new vehicles, when you call into Len, it's like super quick, super easy, super friendly service. Even Russ is good. He visits one from time to time, and he makes sure that we're very happy customers with his company.